Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Hello children, welcome to our language class. Today we are going to learn how to read sentences with blend. Let's start. Before we start reading our sentences, we will learn some sight words. T-H-I-S says this. Say this. I-S says is. Is. A-N-D says and. You can sound this out too. And. So you can sound out this word too. Is. Now let's move on to reading our sentence. Do you remember this word? It says this. This black is red and black. This flag is red and black. Now again we will practice. T-H-I-S says this. I-S says is. This is floss. This is floss. P-U-T says put. P-U-T says put. Say put. Y-O-U-R says your. Y-O-U-R says your. Say your. You can sound this out. On. Put your and hand flat on and sand. Put your hand flat on sand. I can flip. I can flip. Am. So. To. T-O says to. I am so glad to help. I am so glad to help. Y-O-U says you. Y-O-U says you. M-E says me. M-E says me. T-H-A-T says that. T-H-A-T says that. Can you and hand me that glass? Can you hand me that glass? T-H-I-S says this. T-H-I-S says this. I-S says is. O-U-R says our. O-U-R says our. This is our gland. Gland. This is our gland. Here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.